Hi, I'm Padmaja. I have attended Cloudnine's Management of Baby Affairs MBA program, and during that time, and also during my visits to the Cloudnine pediatrician, I was made aware of the Starting the Solids program. And what we have done is we have attended this program when our kid was 4 months old, and also we have attended it again when the kid is finished 6 months, when we are about to start the solids. I have attended the program done by Abhilasha and Melanie, and I find it pretty useful because they take you through in detail about what to feed, how to feed, in what environment to feed, and how. And they share a booklet along with a nutrition visit. I find this program very useful, and I would recommend this for all young parents. Thank you, Cloudnine, for having this program. I look forward for having the next stage of the program of this kind of foods for different life stages of my kids, so that I can come and ensure that my kid takes the right food at different time intervals. So thank you again, Cloudnine.